In this video, I will introduce how to manage requirements through synapseRT NextGen. For your better understanding, let's start from a user scenario. Just take the development of synapseRT NextGen as an example. Let's say we are planning to implement TestCase module in version 1.0, and the scope is in this version is to finish code development for TestCase module and create test coverage for the requirements. Here is the big picture of all requirements for the product. To save time, let's focus on the work scope in version 1.0 to develop TestCase module. Normally, we need to break down a requirement to small pieces, then even smaller pieces until it's specific enough and suitable for engineers to work on. Actually, it is to build requirement hierarchy, which can be done with our synapseRT NextGen. Once you have all small pieces of requirement, you can create test cases to cover these pieces of requirements in Jira. Above is the user scenario. Let's see how synapseRT NextGen manage your requirements in Jira. As requirement is a Jira standard issue type, you can click Create button and select the issue type as requirement. Then specify the necessary information, and then click on the Create button to finish the creation of the requirement. Once it is created, when you open the requirement, there are two extensions. One is requirement, another one is test cases. You can build your requirement hierarchy here very easily. You can create child requirement here. Like we need to develop a test case panel, and also you select other necessary information, then create it. The created requirement will be listed here, and also you can create parent for it. You also can create some child, create another child, or link some other child. Let's just link more. We can link more child here to finish your requirement building. And then if you open one of the child requirement, you still can break it down to small pieces. Let's create another child. You can create more. You can create more. And also you can put some description here, just same as what you are doing for a single Jira ticket. So it is just shows how to build a hierarchy here. And once you want to develop test case, you can open any requirement here and click on. Let's create some test cases to cover this small piece of requirement. Develop editor steps feature. We can create some test case to cover it. We can create test case here. Test case is editable. We can create more. So I have finished the task case creation for this particular requirement.